Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off your iPad and unpairing the Apple Pencil so no circuits are live. Next, remove the magnetic cap and inspect the seam between tip housing and barrel. This is your entry. Once done, use a thin plastic pick to punch a gap, then a spudger to separate the glued seams slowly. Be patient, because rushing will bend internals. Make sure to keep screws and springs organized in a tray labeled by order. You now expose the PCB and battery. Remove the clamp screws holding the battery pack, then lift the battery slightly to reveal its solder tabs. Using a fine soldering iron, heat each tab briefly while pulling the wire with tweezers. This prevents overheating the cell. Once free, slide the battery out of its cavity. Meanwhile, make sure the board's flex cable stays flat and undisturbed, because bending can break traces and ruin the charging circuit. You align the replacement 3.7V cell into the cavity, ensuring polarity matches the original. Once positioned, solder the leads with flux and create short, clean joints to minimize heat transfer. After cooling, reattach the clamp, reseat the PCB, and close the barrel. Use gentle adhesive if needed to restore the seam. Then pair and charge the pencil. Make sure it charges normally and stays cool. If it doesn't charge, check your solder joints and connector seating as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.